Good morning, students. Ninth class, chapter 3rd. Today we will start chapter 3rd, basic ICT skills. What is the meaning of ICT? ICT means information and communication technology. ICT means information and communication technology. Introduction to ICT. बच्चे, what is the meaning of ICT? ICT stands for information and communication technologies. In its preview, ICT takes up knowledge, how computer works as well as how different computer communicate. Means how computer works and how different computers communicate. In this day and age, a machine as versatile as computer is indispensable at home and workplace. Various properties of how computer works go into making it such a force, two of which are its speed and accuracy. Speed means fast speed and accuracy means accurate of output, means correct output. The other component of ICT, the communication part, is also quite powerful. Just imagine if a computer itself is such a powerful machine, what would happen if computers would be able to share each other's work? If computer would be able to share each other's work, then what would happen? Thus, ICT is here to stay, and prospects in the future are also looking nothing but up. In every walk of life, the computerization of work is getting more and more prevalent. There is no public office to be found that does not use computers. Next topic is role and importance of ICT in personal life and at workplace. Workplace means where we do work, and personal life. In our personal life, what is the importance of ICT in our personal life? Personal life is full of examples of ICT use. Our personal life is full of examples of ICT use. You can pay bills online. बच्चे, pay your bills online. Watch a cricket or football match online. On YouTube, you can see cricket or football match. You can see any video. Transfer money between accounts online. If you want to transfer your money between accounts online, then you use internet. Buy commodities for daily use. Websites like bigbasket.com, www.fleetcard.com, etc. Digitized television sets are ICT tools. Order foods through smartphone, computer. On Swiggy, we can order food. There are many more possible desires for the urban persons, and computer play a role in all of these. Email circulation in office and between office. Email circulation in office and between offices. Intimation of meetings, updations of meeting timings, policy change by companies, letting your superior know of your views on an issue. Next session 3, ICT in our daily life. ICT, but what is the examples of ICT in our daily life? Following is a list of things in which ICT finds use in daily life. Number 1, taking appointments with doctor on practo.com. You can take appointment with doctor on practo.com. Paying utility bills at home. बच्चे, you can pay your utility bills at home. Gaining knowledge from websites like wikipedia.com/.com or news website. If you want to gain your knowledge from websites like wikipedia/.org or news websites. Next, work from home. Now we are doing work from home. Taking online classes through tutorvista.com, one-to-one tutor.com, etc. बच्चे, now your classes on Zoom app. Taking online classes through Zoom. paying your credit card bills online. You can pay your credit card bills online. Book train and flight tickets. If you want to book your train and flight tickets online, then also you need internet. Book tickets to a concert by artist. The list really goes on, and it is likely what does not come into the preview of online solution might happens in near future. Next is session 4, ICT tools. What are ICT tools? Mobile, tab, radio, TV, email, etc. These all you know. Mobile. Why we use mobile? Mobile. It was primarily meant to make calls, but the ever-growing needs to get work done in a jiffy. Jiffy means fast. Has meant that today's mobile phone is loaded with many more applications apart from the one meant for making and receive calls. बच्चे, why you use mobile? Making and receive calls, making text messages, WhatsApp for messaging, Paytm as e-wallet, pictures, music, videos, various apps for specific requirements. Play Store of Windows or Android or Apple mobile around in a typical smartphones. Now you all understood why we use mobiles: making and receive calls, making text messages, WhatsApp for messaging, Paytm as e-wallet, pictures, music, various apps for specific requirements. Next is tab. What is the meaning of tab? Tab means tablet. A tab is a short form for a computer tablet, small tablet. But a tab is a short form for a computer tablet. It is almost always bigger than a mobile phone. You all know tab is almost always bigger than a mobile phone. It typically has all features of a computer. It has many applications. It would be stifling to not have communication services like Google Hangouts or WhatsApp on a tablet. Next is radio. What is the meaning of radio? Radio is one of the oldest surviving machines of pre-computer era, at least in India. It is used to work as a cricket transmission device, news device, music listening device, etc. These days also radio does have its place. Cars come with radio transmission fit in. You know na, in cars radio also there. While driving you can listen to songs, sports, news commentary, news broadcast, listen to RJs, radio jockeys, talk about fun things, etc. Radio still has a place in the lives of tech savvy people of this country. Radio